everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa if you're new around here, and today I'm sharing with you an Ikea haul. We recently went to Ikea and we also did another video which was a food related one where we just ate Ikea food. So if you want to watch that video, that's already up. It was like a video I did with Mark, so I will link that one down below for you or up here. But first, let me share with you what I got from Ikea during that little trip, because I wasn't expecting to actually buy that much, but we ended up spending £75. So let me show you what it is. A lot of it is quite Christmas related, which I thought was really nice because Halloween is over now, so it's time for Christmas content. I just love Christmas so much, so I'm really excited about it. Okay, so first of all, I got these bags, which are going to be great for kind of storing you can store toys in here, you can store clothes in here. I bought it for clothes specifically. I want to put all of my summer clothes in here and then pop them under my bed because I thought that would be really useful. I was thinking of like vacuum packing some things and then popping them in the loft, and then I thought it might be a bit annoying, so I want things that I can still access very easily, and if I put them in these bags they'll be easy to access. So I bought 2 of those. These would also be great for storage for kids' toys or presents, you know, for Christmas and things like that. So if you've got any Christmas gift and you don't know where to store them, then pop them in one of these bags. That'd be quite useful. They are the Dimper bags, and let me see how much those were. So those bags were £3 each and they are huge, so that is going to be great for storage. Oh, where am I moving you to? So they are going to be great for storage for my clothes. Let me know if you've got those bags, if you find them useful, but I think they're going to be useful. You can never have too many bags, right? So in the kids section I bought some cutlery, and I loved these because they're all pastel colours. So this was just £1.25, and literally there's so much cutlery in there. While I'm buying the cutlery, I kind of need to buy the matching bowls, don't I? So I've bought the matching bowls. They did have plates as well, but I don't need many plates, so I just thought these would be useful because I use these for all 3 boys. So you've got like baby blue, you've got grey, pink, white, yellow. I just love pastels, and I've already got the like brightly coloured version of this. Well, actually I've only got a couple of them left actually now, so I thought I would replenish that and buy these ones, which I loved the colour of. And then I also bought some matching cups as well. These are what the cups look like. I just love them. I think they're so cute, and again really affordable. I couldn't believe how cheap they were, to be honest. The item that I actually really wanted to get from Ikea was a new bath mat. So I bought this pink one. I've already got a grey one in our ensuite and it's really good, so I thought I would get this one for the main bathroom. I love the colour of it. It's very soft, and we just needed a new one. This was £6 I think. Let me just double check. So the bath mat was only £5.50. They had loads of different colours, and yeah, I just loved how soft it was. I love the colour of it, that gorgeous blush pink. Next I want to share with you a couple of bits that we bought for the boys. So for Christmas time we got them these gorgeous gingerbread houses. So it's a gingerbread house making kit. We bought 2 of these, so one for Vinny and one for Renzo. I thought that was really good. They already had them like set up in Ikea so you could have a look at them, and they just look so cute, and I thought it would be a really nice activity for the kids. So we can either put them in their Christmas Eve box or just do them on the run up to Christmas. And then we also got 2 of the decorating kits. In the kit you get sprinkles, red sugar writing icing, green sugar writing icing and white, and you get like little milk chocolate buttons and things like that. So we've got 2 of those, one for each of them. I just thought that would be great for an activity for Christmas time. So the baking set was £1.50, so this was £1.50, and then the gingerbread houses were £2.95 each, which I think is great. I just hope they're not broken. I was trying to be careful when we like brought them home, so fingers crossed they won't be broken, but great little activity for the kids there. We of course bought some dimes. These are the new orange flavour. I didn't realise that Mark picked these ones up, but these are limited edition, so we got those. I got this for Renzo for Christmas. So this is a huge roll of colouring paper, and Renzo absolutely loves colouring in, so I got him this big roll. I don't know what is actually on it. It's just a 10-metre roll of colouring in paper. That was £5, and then I also bought him some colouring pens to go with them, because we get through colouring pens like no other. They literally just disappear. The lids come off, and then you know what it's like when the lids go missing, then the pens don't work. It's just annoying. So I thought I'd buy some new pens for him so I can just put this in his little Christmas gift pile. So it's just a nice little gift that I know he will appreciate. The felt tip pens were £2. I also got some Christmas decorations. They've got all of their Christmas decor out now. They've got quite a few little pieces. Not completely my style, but I did grab a couple of bits that I thought would be useful. Mark really loved these little robins, and I think we're going to go with a red theme this year, so we thought that they would look cute on the Christmas tree. I think they're around £1.75. We also got these. So these are just miniature baubles, and I thought these would be perfect for decorating things around Christmas time. So you could either put these in a glass if you've got loads of them. That would look really cute, like decor wise. guys, but I've got some other ideas for these, so I'm going to share that with you at some point. I bought some wrapping paper while we were there, so we've got 3 rolls of wrapping paper. They actually had loads dotted around the store. I really like this kind of brown paper, wrapping paper, but it also has some white detailing on it as well, so it's just like I think they are presents drawn on there in white, so I thought that was really cute. Also went for the red with the brown paper detailing on there as well, and then this white one, so white and blue, which I thought was really, really lovely as well. So I got those, and they were like £1.50. Yeah, £1.50 each. I also got some of this for wrapping as well. I just thought that would be great for when we're just coming to those finer details when we come to wrapping some gifts at Christmas. Let me know if you'd like a video on that. I love wrapping presents. I'm not the best at it, but if you want to see a gift wrapping ideas video, then give this video a thumbs up. And then lastly, I got some baking glue. We only picked up one of these, which we probably should have got 2 for both gingerbread houses. Maybe there's another one somewhere, but I can't see it here. So we got the baking glue there. That was £1.50. I got some pencils for Vinny because he needed to stock up on some pencils. They were, again, I think £1.25 or something like that. I got some lingonberry jam for Renzo. Renzo absolutely loves jam sandwiches, so I just thought I would get some of that and see if he likes it. And then last but not least, I just got a blanket, which again, with the red theme that we've got for Christmas coming along, I thought I would get this. I thought it would look really lovely on the sofa. This was £15. Just a really nice, like, kind of thin knit throw, which you can just kind of drape over the sofa and use at night, etc. So I got that. They had loads of different colours. They also had some really lovely faux fur blankets in there as well. I think they're around £45 or £55. There was like 2 available, but I really just wanted this red one because I love the colour of it, and I think it would look gorgeous in our lounge at Christmas time. So yeah, that is everything that I bought from Ikea this time. A bit of a mix, just small little bits and pieces that are going to be perfect for Christmas, and then also the other items that are going to be useful around the house. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you've been buying in Ikea recently, and if you found any little gems, because I love finding new bits in Ikea, especially when they're useful around the house. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.